How to serve and file a proof of service in Michigan. When you file a lawsuit, you need to let the other side know you're suing them. The courts take this seriously, so you have to do it in a specific way. The legalese word for this is service. If you don't do this right, your case could be dismissed, and you'll have to file it all over again. This video will walk you through what it means to serve someone in a lawsuit in Michigan. Serving means giving the opposing side some documents, usually a complaint, which sets out the allegations in the case, and a summons, which tells the opposing side that they have to come to court. First, you start the process by filing your paper with the court, usually by going to the court and giving the papers to the clerk. In most civil or family law cases, you have 91 days to serve the other side. Here are the different ways in which you can serve. Personal service. This means a person hands the document directly to the opposing party. Generally, it can be most anyone other than the plaintiff or defendant, so you have to have someone else deliver the papers for you. For specifics, call Lakeshore Legal Aid. Some examples of who can serve are a process server, someone whose job it is to do this, a sheriff's department, or even a friend. This person will sign a document before the notary called a proof of service, swearing that they served the other party. The other side can choose to sign the document called an acknowledgement of service, which means they agree to accept service. Next is mail service. You can't just send the stuff by first-class mail, so here's how you can do it. You can send the papers certified with a return receipt and service restricted, meaning the post office can only deliver it directly to the person whose name is on the piece of mail. Remember, you can't just mail it to them. Alternative service. If you can't find the other party, you can ask the court for an alternative way of serving them, like publishing a notice in a local newspaper in their last known address. When serving a company, you have to serve someone called their registered agent. Look this up by using the Licensing and Regulatory Affairs database. As the case progresses, you still need to notify the other side of everything you file with the court, but the requirements are not as formal. For more information, contact Lakeshore Legal Aid or head to Michigan Legal Help.